Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 11 of exercise 8.3. Question number 11 says, in a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. That means in one laboratory, the counting of bacteria, that means the increasing of the bacteria in particular experiment, the experiment was going on. In that particular experiment, the count of bacteria was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. That is every hour 2.5% of the bacteria which was there in original amount or principal amount is increasing. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. Now we are supposed to find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. That is, time period is of 2 hours. If the initial counting was 5,06,000. So here they have given us principal amount. This is our T and this is our rate of interest. So we will write here P is equal to 5,06,000. Rate of interest is equal to 2.5, which I can write 25 by 10, reducing them 5 2s are 5 5s are, and T is equal to 2 hours. Putting this value in A, we will get A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to power 2, which implies A is equal to, in place of principal we will write 5,06,000 into bracket 1 plus 5. This is in division, so we will take 2 in the division of the denominator. So it will multiply with 100 whole raised to power 2. 5 1s are 5 20s are. We will cancel out. Therefore we will get A is equal to principal, that is 5,06,000 into bracket 2 20s are is 40. That is 1 plus 1 by 40. Now taking LCM in next step, we will get A is equal to 5,06,000 into bracket LCM is 40. Here it is denominator is 1, so we will multiply 40 1s are 40 plus 1 41 whole raised to power 2. Therefore amount is equal to 5,06,000 into bracket 41 by 40 multiply by 41 by 40, because it is 2 times. 0 0 from the denominator and 2 zeros from the numerator. If I cancel out 4 with this, I will get 1 2 6 5. This will be my amount. So going further, therefore amount is equal to 1,265 into 41 into 41 whole divided by this 4. I will not forget that. On multiplying the numerator, when you will multiply the numerator, you will get amount is equal to 21,26,465 divided by 4. And when you divide it further, you will get the amount as 5,31,616.25. But this is the number of bacteria, count of the bacteria, and bacteria can't be in decimal point. So we will write its approximate value. So we will write A is equal to 5 31,616, and in bracket we will write approx value, that is approximate. Finally, we will write the answer. The bacteria at the end of 2 hours will be, the count of bacteria at the end of 2 hours will be 5,31,616. This is the answer. So this was all in 11th question. Let us solve question number 12 as well here itself. So question number 12 says, a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value is depreciated. Its value is depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. One scooter was bought at its initial price, that is the principal price, was 42,000, and it is said that its value is decreasing every year by 8%. Depreciated means its value is decreasing, reducing at the rate of 8% per annum. Every year 8% value is decreasing. We have to find the value of 1 year. After 1 year, what will be the value? So again we will apply the formula of amount, but we will write P is equal to, here P is equal to rupees 42,000. Rate of interest is 8%. Time period is 1 year. Placing it in amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100. Therefore, amount is equal to, principal is 42,000 into bracket 1 plus 8 divided by 100 whole raised to power 1. 4 2s is 8 and 4 25s is 100. Therefore, amount is equal to, principal is 42,000 into bracket 25 will be our LCM. Here it is 1, so we will multiply. I have made one mistake, sorry students. Since it is depreciated, I forgot it. Depreciated means it is reducing. If it is increasing, we take plus, but if it is reducing, we take minus. This I have forgot it. So please, whenever the value is decreasing, you will take the amounts formula as A is equal to P, that is principal, into bracket 1 minus R divided by 100 whole raised to power T. Again, whenever the value is decreasing at some rate, you will take amount is equal to principal 1 minus R divided by 100 into T. Why we are taking minus? Because the value will decrease. If it is increasing, we are taking it plus. So definitely whenever it is decreasing, we will take minus. So 25 ones will be 25. After taking LCM, 25 ones will 25 and minus 2 will be 23. Therefore, amount is equal to 42,000 into 23 divided by 25. Since it is raised to power 1, so we will keep as it is. When you will cancel out 25 and 42,000, you will get the amount here as 1,680. If you calculate 42,000, when you divide 42,000 by 25, you will get this amount. Therefore, amount is equal to 1,680 into 23, that you are supposed to multiply. When you will multiply, you will get A is equal to 38,000, that is amount is equal to 38,640 rupees. So what will be the price at the end of 1 year? It will be 38,640. Therefore the value of scooter after 1 year is 38,640. We will write will be. So hope you have understood these two questions, that is question number 11 and 12 of exercise 8.3. If you have not understood, please go through it once more so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new questions in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.